Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to learn all about AMAs. Let's get started. AMA stands for Ask Me Anything. Redditors who are famous can create a thread to invite fellow Redditors to join them on a later date where they can engage live on the platform. This allows Redditors to ask relevant questions to the featured Redditor regarding a specialty or the topic of discussion. Reddit AMAs can be a discussion about anything. It can be a good opportunity for marketers or professionals to reach a huge target audience as they can answer their questions regarding their field of specialty in real time. So here's what you need to do if you want to host a Reddit AMA. First, you must have a social media page or a website showcasing your specialty, profession, or business services. This will show Redditors that you're a legit professional, marketer, or business. Next, think of a topic for your AMA. You have a variety of topics that you can choose from, but it's good to choose a topic that you have experienced and it should be your expertise, so that any question that Redditors would ask you, you'll be able to give them a valid and relevant answer to that question. Next, you need to tell people about your bio and expertise. In addition, you need to indicate the reason why you're doing an AMA. You can find AMAs on the subreddit communities, like what you see in this section. When you browse this subreddit, you may notice that they have the same format of posting their AMA on this community. There are many AMA subreddits that you can find on the platform. You may notice the same pattern of posting as AMA. First, they introduce themselves, telling a little about their bio or their specialty, and they will tell people what topic they can ask about. By telling people about your expertise in the topic of discussion, Redditors will know what type of questions they can ask as the AMA is ongoing. You can schedule your AMA. As you schedule your AMA, you need to promote your upcoming AMA event to fellow Redditors. It's like promoting an upcoming event a few weeks before it starts. Doing this will let people know in advance that you'll have an AMA and they can join the AMA on time and on schedule. They can even prepare their questions in advance. Take note that Reddit won't allow you to host an AMA just for taking surveys. This is a way for companies to get some information about their target audiences. This data gathering should be used during a paid promotion. It's also a good practice to ask the subreddit's moderator if the topic of your AMA is allowed. This makes sure that you won't violate any of the subreddit's rules. You can also research on how Redditors post an AMA thread. You can use that as your guide when it's time to do your AMA. As you can see in this example AMA posted by this Reddit user, he introduced himself and he is a journalist, a media entrepreneur, CEO, and host of shows. Next, he mentions the purpose of the AMA. That's his post title, which is shown in bold text. Below is the description, telling more about his bio, and a link to his other social media account, which is Twitter, as a proof for his claims in his bio. When you check out his Twitter account, he tweets about his upcoming AMA on Reddit, indicating the time and the subreddit. His Twitter followers can see this tweet and they'll be informed about the AMA. On the day of the event, there will be more visitors to attend his live AMA on Reddit. Now that you know all about AMAs, we can now proceed to the next chapter, subreddits. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.